Alright, hello. So I'm here to teach you how to run My Little Monsters. So this tutorial is going to be for 1 star%, but the setup applies to any other um, thing. So let's get started. So firstly, you need a timer like this one right here. That's live split. So you can just click it from the resources tab in the Speedrunning.com leaderboards. All the stuff that we're downloading will be right here. You click here, you click visit link, and then you click right here. Once you download that, you can open it up, and then if there's a split here for the run that you're going to be running, category that you're going to be running, then you can download it here by just clicking on it and clicking download, and then you can go to wherever it got downloaded, right here, like right here, and you can drag it on there and it'll be ready. So now we're going to set up a software called OpenVR2 Key. So, as the description says, this allows button presses from your VR controllers to control your splits, or really anything on your computer if you'd like. So you just click visit link. It'll send you straight to the latest release. You click the zip file, you download it, and then you can run it. Make sure SteamVR is open before running it. It'll show up this. Now, you won't have anything here. It'll just be all unbound. So I'd recommend turning on minimize on launch and then 2 system tray. Or you can turn off 2 system tray. But I just keep that stuff off just in case if I need to change it. Because I do like to change it sometimes. So right now, it says it's blocked because I'm in the SteamVR dashboard. If I go out, then you will be able to see is showing every single button press that I do and which key it correlates to it. So if I wanted to make the button for my split, for my starting my splits, my left thumbstick, then I would set whatever keybind I set my splits to the left thumbstick. So just to show you, when I click my left thumbstick right now, as you can see, it starts the splits. So now we're gonna set up keybinds. So if you go right click on live split, click settings, and you're here. You can set this to whatever you want. You specifically need start/split, reset, and undo split, like this. If you are doing longer speedruns, you can set pause. Now you click OK. That should be automatically set on the splits. So now, if you start a run, if you click the button that you set to start the run or split, then it will work. And as you can see, I can split, I can undo the split. Wait, I can undo the split and I can stop. So now we're going to set this up, set splits up with OpenVR2 key. So click, for example, L3. L3 is my left thumbstick click. If I click here, and I click my button to start my splits, and I click again to make it no longer red, just let me reset that, then it'll show here. Now, in VR, if I click the button, it should work like that. So now, you're basically set, but there's one last thing that we have to do. So, go to your Steam VR, click right here, and toggle on Display VR View. Click this button here to full screen it, and then whatever you use to record, turn that on. Also make a thing for live split like this. Now that you have this all set up, you can open up Rec Room. But while you're opening up Rec Room, you want to click Add Desktop Window here. Click Live Split. It'll show this. Click dock on left or right controller, whichever you prefer. Hold this down. Move it to wherever you'd like. Change the size to whatever you'd like. I like to set mine to 25, like this. And I set mine like this on my hand. So now you can see your timer when you actually play. So now all you need to do is create a new account, or if you haven't played Milo Monsters on your main account, you can play on that. But there's no save data, slots in Milo Monsters yet, so you just have to deal with making a new account or just using alt accounts that you already have. So now, just go to Rec Originals, Milo Monsters, private mode. So now, you're set, basically. So, when you start, but there's a few more things. So when you start the splits, like here, when you start the splits, this has -3, so it is a 3-second start. So it's not as soon as you load in, so you don't have to guess when you're about to load in. So you can start the splits, and as soon as this reaches 0, you could got it, and then the speedrun starts. And then you can just go in like that, and then you can do whatever you need to do for the speedrun. Like this. Now, I'm not actually going to be completing a speedrun for right now, because I want this tutorial to be nice and short, and I don't want to tell you what to do for routing, because routing may get updated very quickly. If you want the optimal routes, go into the description or click the Discord button on the front page of the speedrun.com leaderboards. We need people there, and we are welcoming people to help us start routing out much more categories. Because we currently have 6 categories: 1-star, 2-star, 3-star, 4-star, 5-star, and golden. So yeah, that's how you start speedrunning Milo Monsters. I hope to see you guys in the Discord and on the leaderboards. As of right now, there's only one run, and that's mine, and it's pretty bad. So literally anybody right now has a shot on getting a world record. If you want a world record, now is your chance. Join the Discord, get started, do runs. It doesn't matter if you have PC or standalone, or if you're even on screen. You can do it. So now, get out there and go start running. Have fun.